the ground. I'm a 2020, whoa, whoa. Woke up to deposits and it's only 8 a.m. Do it for the fam, I don't do it for the gram. Do it for my daughters, do it for my little man. That's my 2020, reason why I win. Lot of missed calls, looking bloody in my call log. I bet to myself, I'm not sorry that I logged dog. Check my mental health, I was feeling like a lost dog. Bounce back and wipe my paws off.
Good morning all. Morning. Hope we are well. Yes, sir. Let's get it. The intro song is fire. Okay, I'll show you after stream. Remind me. Let me check all systems go. Morning to all in chat. Look at this. Everyone in chat. Not many people saying good morning. Come on, guys. Where are you guys? Sleeping or what? It's time to trade. Can't be sleeping. Come on. There we go. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. Nice. Look like we're all good here. All systems are go. Nice. There we go. Now everyone's awake. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, so classic old, same routine. So let's go have a look at news today, guys. And news, today is the Tuesday. And we have this at 12 p.m. Don't really care. 9 a.m. Finished already. Came back 3. Probably why we saw a little bit of a push just now. Probably from this CPI year on year. And yeah, pretty clean. 6 p.m. Yeah, clean day today, actually. Clean day. So not too bad. I like it. Let's go have a look at daily time frame. Previous daily did close bearish here. So we did close bearish. Where did the wick land? Wick landed in no man's land. So really not much information, but we are closing bearish back in the range. So we could easily flip and start continuing down here, and at the same time, looking at the 4-hour time frame, we could end up going back towards the upside here. So both sides basically make sense from where we are on the daily, but based on daily candle closures, it is bearish, right? Bearish closure back in the range. So if we were to remove all of this and do something like this, right? If I was to do something like this, right? And just keep this information on the chart, what makes sense here, right? We're closing back inside the range here. So if we're closing back inside the range, then what makes sense if we're closing back inside the range? Downside does make sense based on a daily time frame to fill this wick, right? But when we go down, we're not trading a daily candle, right? We're just using daily candle for information. Daily candle doesn't mean anything to us. Well, it does mean, but we're just using it for information. We're just trading one 4-hour candle in London session. So when we go down to the 4-hour, what do we see? 4-hour has done what? Change of structure. So sell won't make sense until we get below at least this 4-hour low. So for the time being, buys does make sense here. So if we bring back drawings, we can see we have this 4-hour support. Sells is not going to make sense until if this candle now flips, starts breaking down and closes below 181.325, clean shot. We have clean shot down to 181, and I think we can continue the sells as long as we remain above this area here, which is the daily flip as well. We could see some more upside, maybe back up to 182. 182 before seeing some more downside, right? So 1 hour on the other hand, same type of thing. Support is formed. This is where the sells are going to make sense below here. We did push with that bit of CPI news came out. This is a nice range to fill here, but there's no entry at the moment. Too early to enter on this candle close here. And on the 15-minute candle close was early to enter. Now we're kind of losing that volume from the CPI push. So that volume is kind of dying down now. And what I need to see is either this candle close bearish, come back, pull back, and then we close above and we go again. If this thing just starts trickling its way towards the upside, I can look to get in above 700. 700 is not an issue to tap into this zone here, which will be above this 30-minute resistance, back into this range from yesterday, and you can look to fill the range. Another option we have is this 1 hour candle is closing in 19 minutes. So we'll see how the 1 hour candle closes, and based on that we can use the 15 to find an entry. Because if this ends up closing bearish, then we can wait for something to at least close above before taking an entry and looking to continue the move towards the upside. So I'm basically bullish for the session. I'm more leaning towards buys than sells, but we do have a sell option down below, probably around 181, 250, 246, somewhere around there. Makes sense to continue down if we do see some madness from this zone here. So that's basically what I'm populating on GJ. Pretty simple and clean plan here. And yeah, now we just need to wait for the setups basically, right? We just need to wait for the setups and see basically how this 1 hour close I would prefer. As for gold, on the other hand, gold is stuck in a nasty range still. If we look at the daily time frame, previous daily did close bearish, slightly below the support, which I do like, you know, for downside continuation here. Once we drop down to the 4 hour time frame here, we can see that this line I can move here. Well, I can just delete that, right? And we can see that the 4 hours created a support as well, trading back inside of this range, which is really not useful because this is kind of like we're having this lower high type thing here, and you can see we're just doing these lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So it's really not useful at all because at any time we could reject and the daily could flip. So I think this will set up best for New York. And New York session, if we start getting especially below 1954, that's easy sells. Even down below, let me have a look how this looks. Yeah, even back below 1958, you can start looking for potential sells here. But let's see what this populates. I think counter trend buys, you do have a counter trend buy option. Oof, counter trend buys. Yeah, I would probably have to say this is all going to be issues. Probably your counter trend buy is going to come above 1964, or if you're buying from structure like this. This is a huge threat. Selling below here is very, very risky. What I would prefer to see is price fail. Once it fails, where's the 4 hour low? I'm interested to see. Yeah, 4 hour low is all the way down here anyways. So I would like to see this fail, close below, and then see some type of pullback and then continue down. Otherwise, you get a fake out like this. I'm pretty sure fake outs will happen here, especially during London. It's classic, right? So yeah, if the 4 hour high is respected, then yeah, sells could be an option below here to fill some of this move here. And it does look interesting. I would just watch this level right here. You know, probably safer sells below there. And that's basically how that's going to work, right? But yeah, Asian session had a bit of a push here. And now we're back into this kind of messy range here, which is not the best place to be, right? So yeah, that's basically the analysis on gold, right? So yeah, that's the analysis on both pairs. GJ having a little bit of a push. I really hope this does make a bottom wick here. Would be nice, you know, for it to flip and show us that it's respecting these zones here. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. 220 of us in here. Glad to have you guys. Welcome, welcome. If you guys did enjoy the analysis, do the YouTube business. 230 of us, come on. Let's get up to 100 likes at least. I would appreciate that. You know the YouTube business, classic. Get up to 100 likes. Finish your YouTube business for today. That's your only job, except for taking a trade, is to press a button. Actually, that is our job, right? Our job is to, you know, use logic and press buttons. That's all we have to do. So one more button won't hurt. You guys are always spamming and taking multiple trades per day. One button won't hurt, right? YouTube business won't hurt. So this is an interesting 15-minute close here. Closing above this 5. I do like this actually. I do like this. Wonder if we can rip it a little bit early and rely on this not flipping. But if we do this, yeah, stops would have to be somewhere down here. 16 pips is not bad. Break even point 7 pips at this structure. You know, it's not bad. That is maybe a problem. Yeah, 658, that 15-minute level, yeah. Just don't like it's just one straight push. It's not the best top wick as well. Why is there no buys above 530? Because I was not at the charts. Were you at the charts? If you're at the charts, you can take it. Up to you. Also, it's outside of my trading time. 5 close top of the range. Yeah, it's a bit of a deep close here. I mean, I like how this consolidated beforehand. That's why I like this. It consolidated beforehand, then closed above. It makes sense, but I rather wait here because this feels like forcing it at 9:46 a.m. I don't see why it doesn't at least reach here, but this is where it might reject. There we go, that's where it should reach. Didn't have a wick, so I didn't risk it. My mind legit set an alarm clock for itself for weeks now. I wake up at 7 a.m. morning, sometimes few minutes early or late. Yeah, that's good. It means your circadian rhythm is in check now, right? Circadian rhythm is in check, and that's what you want to see. I entered GJ at 570. Nice work. I got in a buy earlier because of your thunderstorm strategy. Nice. Big push continuation is hard. Yeah, it's risky. It makes sense though. It makes sense. If this was 10 minutes later after 10 o'clock, I would definitely rip it. I do think this will eventually play out though. It does make sense. Maybe should have just gone as a risky shot. Haven't fired a bullet yesterday, so could fire on this. Because if we run stops here anyways, you know, you just hold drawdown. But really is a nipple wick here. But yeah, that's the move you expect, right? Classic. Has some work though. It's not big ranges. TP, I think break even should be this 30-minute resistance right here. This one right here. You think a buy or a sell? What do you think? New to the channel? Nice. Welcome, welcome. Hope you can benefit from it. Perfect place to sell. Oh, I missed to take a trade on GJ. Didn't know it will go up. Well, that's a oxymoron type comment, right? Because you didn't know it was go up and then you're saying that you missed it. So have you really missed it if you didn't know it was gonna go up? No. I believe this session will offer a chance for both parties. Possibly. I called GJ before stream on chat played out. Did you take the trade? If you called it, you have to take it, right? Post your entry on Discord. Let's see what Discord has been doing. I have a chart here. Yeah, I think that's too late. I think you need to benefit from this zone first, the one we're looking at. But this sells do make sense, safer below here. But you need to consider these ranges. These ranges here are tradable. Because by the time price reaches here, it's too late to buy. By the time price reaches here, it's too late to sell. Yeah, I think everyone got this entry here. I would wait for a close above. Buying just on the rip here is not a very good idea all the time. I no need these worms. The worms are not doing you any justice. Too many worms. And Fibonacci, too many fibs. No need. But solid work. Yeah, while we wait for this close, let's have a look at USD JPY, no worries. So daily, this is nice. If we can break this daily high, continuation should make sense. This one small bearish daily candle closure doesn't mean too much here. As for 4 hour, we're trying to continue up. And yeah, this range is a problem. I would prefer we get outside of this range. But I think buys could be, let's have a look on 15. I think it could be a shot above this area here, 141, 500. Could be a shot. But again, this is a little bit of a messy range. I'd prefer to pull back cleanly and then trade towards the upside. It's a little bit tough at the moment. Damn, look at this flip, right? We won't even get to break even, guys, you know, for our new rule, non-break even, right? We would have had to held this. Speech 100. What do you mean speech 100? Good morning to you, brother. DJ, don't do this to me. Yeah, that's why we have to be patient. Patience is key. I'm excited for this 1 hour close. Euro JPY, quick look. Yeah, I think you can have a buy option above here. Does make sense. Above this 15-minute resistance here, buys could make sense. If it pulls back down to the bottom of the range and keeps respecting, buys from the bottom of the range make sense. Thinking too long now? Nice. Even if GJ fails you, your confirmation was good and was a fair trade. Well, let's have a look at what you took, right? Is it a good trade? If it was, then yeah, you're 100%. That's the correct mindset to have. This was your trade. TP1. Yeah, that makes sense. Safe TP1. This is the best entry, yeah, on the 15-minute close, but it's very early, right? Very, very, very early. And anyway, 70% to TP. Remember we were talking about guys in Zoom. Remember we talked about that 75% to TP. Works, right? Look, this is why. Because of this. You see? Because of this reason. That's why I made that rule. Look. Imagine you didn't move. That would suck. Can I post my trade of last night in London session on Discord? Yeah, if you want to. Morning, morning. Finding it a little bit cold in here. Let me go adjust the AC. I'll be back 1 second. Haven't been on live for a few days. You see the digital clock is there? Yeah, we did include it. Close half when we reach 70% of TP. No point in losing it. Yeah, exactly. Should weekly at 0.66 be included in markup? Let's have a look. Which one? Is this the weekly you're talking about? This one here? It kind of lines up with my 30, so I'm not too worried about it. Alright, so this is flipped. Interesting flip. Wonder if we can rip it, break a 5-minute high here. 4 minutes till this candle closes. Let's see how this 5-minute closes. Because then that'll be the 1 hour close, right? 1 hour close, we'll have a wick fill. 15-minute close will be, I don't know what. Actually, that's not a nice 15-minute. 30 will be okay. Let's see how the 5. And then the 5 will have this structure. You break off high. Should be able to continue to this 30 resistance, break even. And if we break through, happy days. Rip stops somewhere here. Something like that. Let's see. What's the giveaway? 1 free, 1 month free membership to Tradesharpe exclusive. Guys, make sure you follow my Instagram and check out my most recent reel and tell me what you think about it. This is the best. Go watch this reel. This is all of you. Oh, I can't even click on it. Go and click on it. You have to watch this. Don't show it on stream. Yeah, I can't click on it, so they have to go watch it. You have to watch it. This is all of you in chat right now. Comment if you agree. It's too accurate? I know. It's so good. It's so good. I see you guys. I see you. Get 'em Gaming. How are you doing, brother? But make sure you give me a follow anyways on Instagram. I keep updating there, post all different stuff, so shorts. Spend good time, or not good time, but good effort, right? There's been a time in meme culture where they were using Skyrim skills when someone said weird stuff with stuffs like this. I remember Skyrim. I used to play Skyrim. Oh, Speech 100. Oh, that's why. Now you only talk about Speech 100? Bro, I asked you that like 10 minutes ago. What's this? Your brain working on delay or something? I'm joking. You trying to grow your Instagram? I just post value on there. So if people want to benefit from the value. Oh, you was on tutor with wireless headset? Lol, bro. But yeah, Instagram's definitely lagging. Instagram definitely lagging. I don't think I get... I post a lot on here. Good. This is like all accurate content, right? Trade recaps. And these are all like 20-second clips. So I'm trying to just, you know, let people know that I'm posting that as well so they can benefit. How profitable are you? 87.5%. Just followed you. Real is accurate. I get you. It's good content and has value. Yeah, and the thing is, it's hard with YouTube. Like, if I want to, during the day, post something on my story regarding a trade or something, I just post it on my story and then everyone can see it. It's much better like that. So I want Instagram to be able to give quick updates on different things, right? Like, I remember I posted this story of a trade I took that was in drawdown. And I wrote on the trade the different emotions you're feeling at different stages. And then when it went back in profits, I start writing the different emotions. And I think that was a really good post, you know, but that's the only type of stuff you can find I can do on Instagram, right? It's just easy. All right, 1 hour has closed here, left a long wick to the upside. 15-minute though has created a resistance here. So if we want to continue up today, either we pull back down and we create a support and we take setup number 2 towards the upside, or we close above this resistance. Pretty easy plan at the moment. How do we enter the giveaway? Giveaway will be done because the group is on wait list. It's not open, right? It opens in it should be less than 6 days, but opens in on the 28th. So today is the 24th, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 4 days. Maybe because I have to refresh. But the group is not open. So once the group opens, then I'll give the membership. Because I can't give a membership if the group is not open, right? Where are you from? Live in Dubai, brother. Could you give a look at EU second? Trying to figure out what's going on there. I'm a bit confused because it's... Okay, let's have a look. This is the most recent resistance because we've tapped this with a wick. So if it was going to be an issue, this one, we would have seen it reflected here. And we don't see anything reflected, right? Alright, so EU. So dailies close bearish here. 4 hour, yeah, if you can get below this 4 hour low, will be good for sells. Breaking this 4 hour low will be good for sells. At the moment though, I don't think buys make sense at the moment. I think buys minimum, if you're looking for buys, you have to wait for a close above 1.10857. And then for sells, I think below these lows, of course, do make sense quite nicely. Or actually, if you just put this line, something like this, you could sell to these lows. What is these lows? It's a bit close to 4 hour support. So, I mean, you could push it here. I wouldn't mind, you know, you could take this and watch this zone. If it has reaction here, then you look to manage your trade. You know, to get to these lows and break it, right? Because below here would make sense. Instead of selling the lows, you can sell to the lows and see if it breaks. Can you please look at gold? We did look at gold. It's in a nasty range at the moment. Right, it's doing nothing. Sells below here makes sense, but you need a resistance because it's counter trend. Buys above here also can make sense, but it's tough. It's a rough spot. You kind of buys and sells here at the moment, but I prefer the selling option, to be honest. I prefer the selling. I checked your Instagram videos. I can actually help you get more engagement. I do this for fun. How do you get more engagement? If you, how will you get, right? Which is the best copy trade software? Never used one. Yep, 55 a month. That's it. Only that, bro. And you get so much value. How do you calculate 2% of 1K? Serious question. Well, what's 10% of 1K, right? This is what helped me to calculate percentage, right? What's 10% of 1K? 10% of 1K is 100. So what's 1%, right? You just remove 1 0, becomes 1, right? Becomes 1, and then you increase that to 2, right? So then if that's 1% is equal to 10, 2% is equal to 20. So 2% of 1,000 is 20. That's how you calculate it, right? I also work for Press Play, biggest UK drill page. Nice. But I want to know how you will increase engagement, right? It's about how. How will your services increase engagement? Big up, Press Play. Yes, sir. Thanks, Hari. Shukran. Welcome, brother. I heard someone say when I asked what's your trading plan, he said TP or margin call. Yeah, that's Crest trading plan. Margin call is your strategy, exactly. $4 minutes for this candle to close here. It will be an interesting close if we can close back above here. It will kind of be the second shot. Why is that color? Right, if we close above here, this will be like the hourly flipping now. Made a bottom wick flip. And if we can get above here, we can just use the lower time frame to get an accurate entry, right? Break of the high wherever this closes. We can tap this wick and look to continue. That would be the plan, right? And then stop loss would go, where's the 1 hour stop loss would be? We entered here, 1 hour stops is 15 pips. I think those are the safest stops, 1 hour stops. So your video, this is a secret formula. The way you started it, the first thing you should have said, catch straight away. Forex, if you want to get what I mean. Oh, so you'll help me in terms of delivery. Okay, that's all you had to say, man. Yeah, no worries. You can DM me, brother. Do you trade your own capital? Yes, I do. 15-minute thunderstorm? That's not a 15-minute thunderstorm. 15-minute thunderstorm would be if this high was only here. This is a wick. It's a little bit different when there's a wick. Gold stuck in a rough range. Guys, nothing is happening on gold and you ask about gold. Nothing's happening. It's doing nothing. It's in a range. This is the range. Break below it, options for sells. Break above it, some options for buys, but it's riskier. Thought on Dogecoin Twitter rename. Twitter rename is bound to happen because Elon Musk bought the company. Its effect on Dogecoin, not really looking at that. What platform do you use to trade? I use MetaTrader 5. And do you show your live trades? Yes, I do. GPAUD, I shorted it. Please check. Send a chart. Send a chart, brother. Send a chart in Discord and I can check. Right? This is why you wait for closes, right? Everyone impatient buying this. Now they're in deep shit. They're like, oh, that didn't work out as I thought. Wow. What a tough spot I'm in now. How unlucky. The markets are not lucky for me. Because they're too impatient to wait 47 seconds. Yeah, close above that orange line, I'm ripping it. I don't use Instagram. I started to use Instagram to follow you. And you're the first one. I appreciate that. It's an honor. Breakout traders are something else. I do have a video coming out on breakout, so that should be interesting. What do you think about AUD USD? Crest, do you have AUD USD plan? Send it in the private, we'll see. Do you ever trade live? It's in London? Oh, okay, cool. Let's have a look. AUD USD. What's this video someone posting? Someone trying to do promo here. Oops. Bye-bye. Delete message. No promo, no links. All right, AU plan here is would have taken a buy here if the wick hadn't closed above the candles. All right, makes sense. Sells below this makes sense. Not big enough range. So basically looking for sells below this or easy buys all the way up there. I think you could try sell up to here, up to this wick actually could be a target. Why above the orange 5-minute line? Because that's our original resistance where the original trade came from, right? You can see how it's our resistance. It's holding price. Rejected here, currently rejecting. I might try a trade re-break of the high here. Maybe. Let's have a look. How long? 2 minutes 41 seconds? Wait for close. Yeah, I just don't want to miss the move because this close will also be... Yeah, it's the 15 close as well. Yeah, that's what I didn't want to miss, right? Two minutes. We'll wait 2 minutes till the 15-minute close and see what happens. FOMO? No, no FOMO. Didn't press anything. Just discussion, just discussion. How long do you hold trades typically? 15 minutes typically. Depends how much drawdown we hold. It's all subject to drawdown. Sent you a DM? No worries, I'll check it after stream. Thank you. I think my plan here, guys, is going to be to take a buy, probably break of this candle high after a bottom wick, but it has to close above this body here. If it doesn't close above the body, then it's a no trade. Has to close above this body here. Come on, GJ, do it. 20 seconds. Close above. Close above, 15 seconds. Come on. Do it. Yeah, break of this high should be good. But we need bottom wick, huh? Not entering till the bottom wick comes. Not entering, not entering. I need a bottom wick here. Need a bottom wick, come on. Stop will be below this candle here, 16 pips. Damn, no bottom wick. You're gonna do me dirty like that? There's a nipple wick on my broker though. My broker does have a nipple wick. Let's see. Yeah, this looks like a bottom wick coming maybe. It's AM in the morning. You know, there is a nipple wick on my broker, so I could go at the break of this high here, like this. Just for extra confirmation. Run stop loss like that. Yeah, I think the break of that high, break of this high, I'll be happy to enter here. Let's see. Will also be break of 1 hour high. Three pips B. No, we would just watch this zone here. We'd rely on the 1 hour candle to continue us bullish here. Right? It would be relying on the 1 hour candle. Preferably, I'd like to see this flip and make a deeper bottom wick. But if this is just gonna hover, you can see it's not breaking down. You can see it's not breaking down. It's trying. So if we break this high up here, it should be okay. That's what I'm populating. I'm just gonna wait for this 5-minute close, right? So I'm not entering. If it breaks in 12 seconds here, I won't enter. I'm gonna wait for the 5-minute close, but the entry will be the same. I'm just personally waiting for the 5-minute close here. Yeah, so this is the 5-minute close, and then the entry will be the same. My stop's at 5 minutes. Well, you have to wait for it to break the high. Only then your entry will come. So as it breaks the high, I'm gonna enter here. Maybe it's just better to set a buy stop here. I think I might set a buy stop. Yeah, that'll be better. TP will be up here, max TP up here at 181,840. Oh, am I gonna get triggered? Okay, I'm in. That triggered me. Stop loss is gonna be somewhere here, just like that. Max TP up here. We'll manage accordingly. Does it have a wick on your broker? Yeah, it does. Nice. Nice. Yeah, I'm taking the 1-to-1. Probably gonna move to break even around 820. Somewhere around here. 75% to TP, no point of losing the trade now. If you are not having a good week trading, you could move to break even, yeah. Around 800 is fine. Remember, everyone do the YouTube business. Yeah, exactly. And if you're not comfortable in this trade, you can manage it how you want to manage it. Like, it's a profitable trade already. If you're not comfortable, you can go break even now so you don't lose the trade. But for me, based on the rules I've decided, I'm happy to hold this a little bit more. Gonna make decisions based on candle closures. So 15-minute candle closures, 5-minute candle closures. So we just need this 15 to close above this orange line here, which is important, because that's the 30-minute close. If the 30-minute closes fails to close above this line, then I have to make a decision here, because then probabilities start to change. Because then we're closing below resistance. Share the love, do the YouTube business. Yeah, guys, if you're enjoying the stream, leave a like. Right? Take your mind off the trade. Just press the like button. You press the buy button. I see all of you guys. I see all of you guys press the buy button. But the like button, you know, 550 of us in here. Appreciate everyone showing up. It's a stream record, I think, 550. Appreciate everyone in here. If you're enjoying it, definitely consider leaving a like. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, right? So you can show up to future streams and stuff like that. EYES giveaway? Yeah. Watching from Belize. Again, already drop a like. Amazing. Thank you. Practicing eye strategy. Why don't you show profits? Because profits are irrelevant. They just open subject to discussion, right? You make too much, they say it's not real. You make not enough, they say you don't make enough. So if you just show the skill is what's important. People, you can go online, just go on Instagram, and every single trader is showing profits. You're not different. I want to show my trades. I want to show my skill, right? And my skill is going to be trading, and that's what should be important. And I do show profit. I show all the MetaTrader trades on Discord. So it's not like it's cap. Maybe for motivation I can post, but you know, that's different. See? Alright, 15 closed here. Nice 15 close. 30 also closed above the range. I don't have any issues with the trade at the moment. We just manage accordingly. And yeah, that will be that. Just need some volume to come in would be ideal. We should be good. Bro getting PTSD from getting scammed, wanting to see profits. Posting your profits might demotivate, to be honest, because people might get down. They make way less. Yeah, if everyone... See, we can all take the same trade now. I told you how much I risk per trade. You guys can see that. I posted some trades. So, you know, we all take the same trade, but so many people will make different amounts, right? Someone might make 500, someone might make 1,000, someone might make 10,000. It's all irrelative. What's relative is the trade, because that's what you have to get right. Profits is just a subject of risk. This candle shouldn't need to flip here. Should be, you know, this should just keep moving its way up. It shouldn't need to flip. It's quite a, I mean, it makes sense to go break even after we've seen something like that, right? Second candle in, 800 would be almost 70% to TP. Makes sense to go break even at that. Yeah, we're about 70% to break even. I mean, TP gonna move my stop loss to break even here, make this a risk-free trade. No point of losing this trade. Just need some volume in here and we should be good for a push. Nice. Just need one more volume push. Come on, GJ. One more volume push. Don't pull back. One more volume push. Come on, give it to us. Let's go. Come on, GJ. Come on, let's go, GJ. Looking to close soon. Basically hit TP. One more push and I'm gonna close. If we can get that to repush, because I didn't have a chance to close at TP. I didn't have a chance. Okay, I'm looking to close soon. Come on, one more push. Give me one more push so I can close. Let's go, GJ. Do it for Harry. Do it for Harry. You know what? I'm not going to be greedy here. We're sitting in what? How much profit? We reached literally 1 pip from TP. What I'm going to do is I'm going to... Let's see on this 1 minute. If this next 1 minute break its lows, I'm going to close half. Right? If this breaks this lows here, I'm going to close half. That's what I'm going to do. Right? If 1 minute breaks its lows here, I'm going to close half. If it doesn't break the low, then I'm going to try get another push. 1 pip from TP. Yeah, it hit TP. It was TP for me, but I didn't press the button fast enough. Did not press the button fast enough. So the way I'm going to manage it is I'm going to, if it breaks these lows, I'm going to close 50%. That's how I'll manage it. Or 70% maybe. Let's go. One more big push. As I said, I didn't have enough time to close up here. It literally was 1 split second. If it breaks these lows, I'm just gonna probably close out. Damn, it's not liking that zone, huh? Secure it. Yeah, I'm just thinking to secure it. Yeah, you know what? I'm out. I'm securing it here. Plus 12 pips, I'll take it. 12, 13 pips. W's in the chat. Let's go. It's 1 pip from TP. Doesn't matter. Let's go, guys. Secure, secure. No point of holding it, struggling it. It's struggling now. Yeah, 12 pips. That was really TP, to be honest. Damn, chat going crazy. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Yes, sir. Clean. Almost 600 people in here. 1 pip from TP. Closed full. I'm out. Beautiful trade. Let's go. 22 wins. Yes, sir. Amazing. Leave a like for that, guys. Come on, at least 400 likes. Look at that. That was such a clean trade. Stress-free. No drawdown. Bro, what? 84.61, brother. The win rate's 87. You're writing 84. What are you doing? Beautiful, beautiful. Add that to the stream journal. Nice trade. This was taken as 15 minute. 13 pips. Was a buy. Setup number 1. Close above the range. Let me get the stream link. What time was this trade taken? It's taken at 10:20. Yeah, that 5 minute, 10:20-ish. Alright, 10:20. 10:20. Amazing work. Nice trade. $9.23. Yeah, exactly. I'm just rounded to 10:20. Yep. 10. The exact time was this. This was exactly correct as that 1 minute broke. This is the exact correct time. 10:23. Yeah, guys, let's get to 500 likes for that win. Come on, guys. We're showing this live. Done right in front of you. No drawdown trade. Come on, guys. Leave a like for that. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, guys. Make sure to subscribe. I know it's a YouTube business. I hate saying it, but it's part of the game. You know, this is free value I'm giving to you guys. Not many people want to do this. Look at that. Avoid this pullback. We're out. Closed full. Profit secured. Bag done for the day. If you want to lose money, you hold a trade. Yeah, we can get to 19.5k subs if everyone was to sub. Amazing work. Easy win. Let me change the stream. 88% we are now. MashaAllah, amazing. Look at that. Got triggered 4 minutes before everyone else. Oh damn. Okay, almost took an L, but yeah, trust in the Tradesharpe bias, right? That should give you at least, your probabilities will go from like a 85% to like a 70% probabilities, right? Got your 10k plaque? Brother, they don't give you a 10k plaque. Do they have 10k plaque now? Come on. There's a 100k plaque, brother. 100k. I think we need a lot more people to watch this. Harry, can you share your stream tracker but empty? Without the stream part-time, of course. Come on, bro. Come on. Alhamdulillah. Yes, thank you, brother. Look at this, man. You've been in the Discord for how long? How long have you been in the Discord? Go to resources. I've already given you that, brother. Look. Here, free trade tracker. This is the one blank for you to do your trade. Yeah, but I think we managed that trade perfectly, right? We moved to break even at the right spot. Just if I set a manual TP, automatic TP, it would have probably triggered. But I was supposed to close and I was managing stream and all of that, so I didn't get to close. With your setups, can I take a one lot size with a $3,000 account? 369. Yeah, depends on the stop loss, right? You're risking around 3%. It's maximum. 3.5%, so it's maximum. Subscribe. Yeah, if you guys enjoy the content, enjoy the value here, make sure to leave a subscribe. What's my plan now? I've done my job. That was my job for today. My job was to take a trade, make money, and then that's it. You don't waste time at the charts. Oh, another entry. I'm going to look. That's your job. Simple as that, right? Now I'm probably gonna, you know, chill here for a bit, and then I'm going to, spend time with the boys on Zoom in the Tradesharpe exclusive. So what's your plan now? Lol, what if you didn't take your profit? Yep, that's why you have to have a plan. You're in big trouble. Controller FX. Who's Controller FX? I gave back my profit to the market, ending with 50 pips only. That's good, brother. I use the trade tracker you made and log everything. It's great. You should see Crest log. Crest log is an impressive. He has a journal, really impressive journal. Next webinar, Crest. Next webinar, show up, and maybe he can show us today, if he doesn't mind. Donvo? Oh, his name? Oh, okay. No, I'm not his student. No. I don't even trade New York. I trade London. And I don't trade gold. Much. I do trade it, but GJ is my number one. Can you recap gold? Still in the range. Gold hasn't done shit. It's still in the range. It's stuck. I said I'm gonna spend time with the boys. I'm saying the boys because of this recent reel. Go. The boys. Right? Which is... I Tradesharpe exclusive. Man, you and your only pips, right? Can you show the last month? Alright, we can look at that now. Maybe New York session will grow your subscriber. I don't really mind about growing my subscribers crazily. I'm not chasing subscribers. I'm just doing what I do, and whoever wants to subscribe can, right? Are you Raja Bank students? No, I'm not. Why does everyone ask this question? Everyone asks this question. Only pips. Just because someone popular trades price action doesn't mean that he's your student. It's crazy to me. It's like, I swear, if people had the same mentality in normal life, everyone would be going saying, hey brother, you're walking. You copied my father. My father knew how to walk. My mother knew how to walk, but you're copying. Because they only know their mother and their father. So if for the first time in their life, they saw someone walking, they'd say, you're copying him walking. If you eat with a spoon, right? People are going to say, hey, you copied me. I eat with a spoon. Why are you copying me? Don't eat with a spoon. If you trade price action, you copy, of course, everyone else. It doesn't make sense. You want to be similar to people, successful people and whoever. Right? Price action traders, everyone on YouTube who trades price action right now should have similarities. If they don't have similarities, then they're not price action traders. Because how are you going to have someone call themselves a price action trader but trade 50 different ways? It makes no sense. It makes no sense. Leaving for holidays tomorrow? Oh, are you? We'll speak about it. Sabbar Hari? Yeah, شوية لازم. Now they gone and did it. How are you gonna let them have it? When will you become a millionaire? Depends what you consider being a millionaire. 1 million is not a millionaire. Millionaire, I believe, is 2 million is where you're really a millionaire. That's where you're really pushing being a millionaire. When will I make my first million in trading? That's a question. I need to start risking. To make a million in trading, probably need to risk at least 15K a trade. That's a lot of money, $15,000 a trade. And I'll tell you that straight. I'm not here to sit like, yeah, you know, I made 20K today and I'm gonna post it on Instagram, but I don't show anyone how I made that 20K. I'm just gonna put it on Instagram that I made 20K, right? And then everyone thinks he's the best trader when in reality you don't know how many losses he's taken, you don't know what he's doing. This is such a poor mindset in this industry. Nice accent, you like it? Good. A house in New Zealand is 650K. I'm not Somalian, no, of course not. Yeah, I'm not planning to have a house in New Zealand. Property prices here in Dubai are crazy. Would to buy a nice villa here, but it's very expensive, around $5 million. Not 5 million, sorry, around $3 million. Bit more, yeah. Made 20K with Google Inspect tool, the fake gurus on Instagram. Yeah, exactly. Or they make 20K on some broker. That's the first time I've ever seen that broker, and still trading on MetaTrader 4. House in California, 1 to 2 million? Yes. MT4 rates plugin? Yeah, that's old stuff, man. There's nothing. Profits and all of this stuff is irrelevant. There's nothing more educational and there's nothing more transparent than someone live trading in front of you for a while. It's just fact. Right? And this is why I keep that out of the conversation, because it's not relevant. People who know me well, they know how much I make, right, in trading, because I show that sometimes. And if I ever post it for motivation, will be once in a very, while, just to post, if someone wants to see or anything. You keep asking me about GBpjpy, why not send a chart? And you want to learn, you want to get better at trading, take action and send a chart. I kindly look at your charts. I always pull them up on Discord, right? Look at these guys. These guys, they got all of their things answered, right? Harry, always thanks for the input and advice. Helped me smooth my mind and take decisions on how to manage. It worked out perfectly. Amazing. Well done. Look at this. Right? He took this entry here. I think you could move your line a little bit down. Then this entry would make sense. And all of these lines from yesterday you don't need. This line is a good line. The 30-minute one. Brokers speak Arabic or English and decided to speak facts. Damn. That's clean. Rise for that. My screenshot is the second one and the one re-entered when you did. Look at this guy. I got him 2 entries, man. Happy I got you 2 entries? Should be happy with that. What's that, 120,000 USD? Yeah. Mine hit B and I took partials at TP1. Nice. Great advice yesterday. 1 quality trade is enough? Yeah, definitely. Like this, like we caught the move. This was the volume move we want to catch. What are you going to wait for now? The only other options I see is when it gets above here. But by the time it gets above here, it's a big move. You know what I mean? Like, you've missed most of it. That's what I mean. It's hard to take another entry. Because now you have a 15-minute candle closing bearish. Now you have to mess around on the 5-minute. I mean, you could mess around on the 5, but we don't have to. If your job's done, it's done. If it wasn't enough money, then get a bigger account and risk more. We don't mess around here? No, we're not playing games. I literally used your strategy to get both and it was a dub for you. Amazing. That's what we want to see, right? Now you just have to make that consistent. You have to win consistently. People saying catch the reversal. Here is work a part-time job and get a full-time wage. His job is done. Exactly. How many pips? Well, unfortunately, I only got 12 pips on that. How long did it take you to get consistently profitable? 2 years. Why 2 years? Because it took me a year to test that I was consistently profitable. And in that year, I had a break-even month. Negative, it was, you can call it even negative with the commission and stuff. Right? And then after that, you run another year. So it's a long process. Our deposits and withdrawal, I lose some sort of, they have some sort of, not commission, but like some exchange. So if I take like a 20K, like a $10K dollar withdrawal, I got on a $10K dollar withdrawal, they took around almost $1,000, man. 225, yeah, no, not almost 1,000, 25 dirhams, yeah, like $600-700. Thanks, Harry. Welcome. 2 to 3 quality trades a week is perfect. Yeah, that's all you need. You do that over time. That's all you need, right? And if you get more trades, then we don't complain. We keep taking them. We keep taking them. Gold is still in the range. Where are you, haters? Yeah, they took a sell and they left. Right? Gold is still in that range. You guys love gold so much because it moves big, but it also messes you up big. London, gold is not the best pair in London. Anyone who trades gold full in London is just trying to have more pairs, or they're just trying to, you know, keep hype. Like sometimes, especially in the beginning of the sometimes in the beginning of the year, it's really good in London, you know. That's stupid. I'm using Skrill. Yeah, I do direct to my bank account, so I don't lose that much, to be honest, when it goes direct, because I was using direct to my debit card, direct to my debit card. But if I do a wire, it's better. Which pair is good during London? What I'm looking at right in front of me right now. What do you think about Frankfurt? Frankfurt Open, you mean? It's great. That's where we get most of volume from. I'm gonna watch the stream after. Great idea. Right? And you can also go to the stream journal and you can watch when the trade was taken and what time. And then there's a clock. If you look at this side, you can see the clock. Am I pointing the right direction? Here. What? This is so trippy. Here, right here, there's a clock. You can match it to the time here, and yeah, it will be good for you. Watching from California, respect you, brother, respect you. Any trade till now? Yeah, we took buys. Close full, you can read. If you read the chart, it says close full. %, true. I stopped trading gold at London because I lost 4 out of 5 trades last month. Yeah, so much fake outs. Yeah, it's not the best. 2 p.m. here in Thailand. Yes, sir. Hi, mashallah. Good work as always. Thank you for sharing. I appreciate you, brother. GJ good for NY? Yeah, sometimes it's great for NY, for sure. I like to trade in NY sometimes. No, GJ is good for NY. Just keep GJ and gold for NY, I would recommend. You know, but you could be more aggressive on gold. Look at this. London Open. Close above the range. This is interesting. Will the 5 close above? Will the 30? Oh, right at resistance. Right at resistance. Damn. Oh, damn. What's going on, man? Sheesh. No, close that. Closed above. You know, going at the break of this high is definitely an option. Yeah, you could milk GJ going at the break of this high. But I'm okay. We have New York later. Going at the break of this high could be an option. But you go break even at this wick. After this push, it's, you know, how much more do you expect it to keep pushing here? This is a very heavy rejection zone. Wick, wick, wick. It's super tempting though. Where did my drawing go? Oh, here. Any second trade opportunity? Potential break of the high, but you're buying higher than our first entry is all the way down here, you know? Like, is it really worth it? You'd be in now. That's it. You'd be in. You're either in this or you're not. Like probabilities start to go. Stops will have to be, oof. At least stops have to be 180, 1705. Break even now? Not yet. You would be break even at this wick here. So how do I learn Forex trading? I think the best place you should start is watching the free Forex course. And then the guy who commented below is a good also comment. Right? This free Forex, full Forex course is a good place. One hour level? I didn't check. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, there is a level here. Yeah, I'm not interested to take a trade, so I didn't really care to check. 40 pips on DAX? Yes, sir. Give me a sec. I'm just gonna go to the toilet. I'll be back. Fed interest rate this week? Yeah, exactly. That should be important. What was my entry? My entry was 694 was my entry. 694. Can one download your journal template? Yeah. Just right click, go on the thing, file, make a copy. Just press make a copy. Just passed FTMO, brother. Nice. You're amazing. Let's go, man. W's. Come on, guys. One of our exclusive members just passed FTMO. He's been working hard behind the scenes. Right? He just passed his FTMO. Amazing. How cool is that? This was the trade he needed. And he puts in the work, right? Check this out. If you go here, right, and you go to London analysis, look at this, right? He puts in the work. This is his analysis here. Wait and see, right? Writes it all up. His plan from yesterday. So you put in the work, you get the rewards, right? Amazing. I'm not buying GJ anymore. I did my job. I'm done. I'm not chasing the market. I'm not chasing the market. I think he went for a 50k account. We don't play, we don't play. Yeah, he said 50k account. I've been working with him for a while. He puts in the work, right? Definitely ask me enough questions, that's for sure. Break of high 1%, nice. Do you trade gold also? Mostly New York. You know what, guys? Great session. We got a very clean trade in the beginning of the session. There's no point of wasting time right now. London Open came in. Price is not really doing much. I'm going to call it a stream, right? Value our time. Let's value our time. We did the job. Everyone had amazing information here. If you ever travel to Dubai, meet up. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, you know, I think we had amazing discussion. I appreciate everyone showing up. Hope to see you on future streams, right? Make an effort to come to future streams, and yeah, I hope to see you guys, right? I hope to see you guys. Appreciate everyone showing up, and with that being said, take care, trade sharp, and hopefully catch you guys what time am I going live? Subscribe, and when I go live, you'll see 9:30 a.m. Dubai time. 9:30 a.m. Dubai time. All right, guys, take care, and hopefully catch you guys very, very soon. Peace.